We represent 135 years of Tampa's baseball history. This is the Tampa Baseball Museum at the Lopez House. We have gone through quite a journey to get this museum ready for the community. Lopez's childhood home was offered to us, and it was gifted to us by the city of Tampa. But it wasn't in this location right here in Ybor City. It was another location in Ybor City, and it was moved a mile. That was pretty exciting to see this casita move down the road, pulled by this seemingly small tractors. This being a historic home, we had to go board by board by board on the exterior and preserve everything we could. And not only that, try to make it look as it would have in its early days. Baseball became the universal language here in Tampa. In 1886, when the Cubans began coming to Tampa to work in the cigar industry, they brought their love of baseball with them. So by 1887, they already had the first team. And now we have 89 players from Tampa who have made the major leagues. We're really at the point of bringing in the exhibits and putting the signs in. Now, as you can see, there are some exhibits behind me because they've already been installed. Those are about Al Lopez himself, who was the first major league player, manager, and Hall of Fame inductee from Tampa.
We lovingly have baseballs for every single player that is from Tampa that's going to be on display, which is quite a remarkable display. You've got to come back and see that, as well as all of the wonderful artifacts and some of the historical photographs that are just so warming and take you back in time to the way it was, not just here in Ybor City, but also in West Tampa. Everyone here has become so vested into this project over the many years.
So many organizations and individuals have contributed and supported it to this museum, and now we're almost ready to open. We actually have an opening date set for September 25th, and it will be a very big event, a very big celebration, and we hope that the community and all the visitors that are here at that time will come and join us.